Hey there, you guys. What is up? It's your boy Teangelo, and welcome to my new channel, My 10-Year Plan. Yes, I have designed a 10-year plan. I have a 10-year plan. I have a 10-year plan. I have a 10-year plan. So here it is. I have created a 10-year life plan to help me live a life I design, to reach my goals, to reach my achievements. And so I put the channel together so you can go on this journey with me and we can go on a journey together. I am over people just setting goals, including myself. We got goal setting, to-do lists, and all other tools that we use. Isn't it really about achieving the goal? Oh yeah, that's what we're gonna be working on, is achieving the goal. So, this is what I'm gonna do. Every week, I'm gonna check in with you and let you know how it's coming along. Have I moved a few steps forward? Have I scooted a few steps back? Have I took it to the left? And maybe did I drop it like that? Ow! But no, seriously, I'll just check in and let you know how it's going for me. And what I would really love is for you to post comments and join the conversation so I can know how you're doing, or perhaps you know a better way to achieve what I'm working on. I'm just an ordinary guy with extraordinary dreams. You have to subscribe. Hit the notification bell, and let's get to living life to the fullest. My 10-year plan. Check out the videos below, because I explain how I put it together and why I put it together and all that jazz. Don't get over, like, in the head about 10 years. You can do less years, 1, 6 months, whatever. All right? Until next time, do subscribe. I'm your boy Teangelo, and you live life to the fullest. Ciao.